Welders are professionals who join pieces of metal together using heat and the pressure. They play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, manufacturing, shipbuilding, automotive, and the aerospace. But when it comes to how much they earn, it's not one size fits all scenarios. The salary of a welder can vary widely depending upon the several factors. Firstly, experience and skill level matter a lot. A welder who has mastered advanced technique like TIG, tungsten, inert welding, or underwater welding is typically a high demand and can command a high salary. These specialized skills often require more training and the practice, but they also open doors to a more lucrative opportunities. Secondly, geographical location is a bigger factor. In some regions in the countries, welders are in high demand due to the booming in industries or the construction project, which can drive the salaries up. Conversely, in area of fewer industrial opportunities or a low cost of living, welder might be earn less. For example, welder in urban center or the area with a strong manufacturing presence might enjoy a higher pay compared to those in a rural or the less industrialized areas. Moreover, the cost of living plays a significant role in place where it's more expensive to live, such as the major cities, regions, country with high housing cost. Employer often offer high wages to offset these expenses. Additionally, government regulations and labor law can influence wages with some countries or state having minimum wages standard that affect that welder can earn. Furthermore, certifications and additional training can boost welder earning potential. Welders who pursue a specialized certification or undergo extra training in safety protocol, new technologies, and the specific welding techniques often find themselves higher welding and high demand and can be negotiated.